you see whatever you want.
Huh? Yes. Did you want to check one out? Yeah. Do you want to check one out for you to keep at home? Yes? Okay, I'll give you the paper and you sign it.
Great. Yasmeena?
Yeah, what's up, bud?
For the test, do you feel like for the essay question, she's going to want us like write out like something pretty complex, or kind of like something like a couple sentences?
There'll be a couple sentences. Like Dr. Cardona will make you like write a page paper, but for hers, it'll be like a couple sentence, paragraph at most.
Okay.
Most of her written stuff, this is going to annoy the hell out of me. Most of the written stuff is going to be like drawing diagrams, explain why its functional group is polar. For right now, it's not anything too lengthy and scary.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Do they have to like know how to draw the functional groups?
You need to know, no, you don't need how to draw a functional group. You need to know how to draw a nucleotide. But you need to know why certain functional groups are polar. Okay. All right. Let me set this up. All right, so we've had 15 minutes to do the warm-up, so you should have at least got the warm-up questions finished. So who wants to take a stab at number 1? If you can't answer it, don't worry, we will cover it in our PowerPoint. Anybody want to take a guess at number 1? All right then, anybody want to know? Tell me number 2. So in that table, in our notes, think way, way back.
Is it oxygen chlorine?
Yes, oxygen, chlorine. Yes. What else though? Out of those 4 that's in the table in your book.
Oxygen and nitrogen. Right?
No. One's carbon. Who's the other one?
Oxygen.
Yeah, there's a different one. Look, okay, who has their textbook? Go into, what is it, chapter 2? Go in chapter 2, and from that table, tell me which 2 elements have the higher electronegativity. No, that's one. It's a little short, small table. It has 4 elements in it.
Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Here, wait a second. All right, look, carbon and hydrogen. Oh yeah. All right, oxygen, nitrogen. All right, then carbon, hydrogen have some of the lower ones. All right, so why is carbonyl a polar functional group? Why is carbonyl a polar functional group?
Because carbon and oxygen have different, like their electronegativities quite.
Are different, okay? So then, who wants to hang around electrons more?
They want to hang around with more oxygen, the electrons, and less in carbon.
Carbon. All right. So then, therefore, oxygen gets a slight what?
Negative.
Slight little negative charge. Okay. All right. So multiple pleated sheets and helices. When we put pleated sheets and alpha helixes together, what level of structure of proteins are we creating? It's tertiary, okay? Remember Mr. Froggy? We stapled them together, right? And to get our, once we put some beta pleated sheets, we have one string of amino acids together, we made some sheets out of one end, we made some helixes out of the other, we folded it some more, we get our tertiary structure. All right, number 4, hydrogen bonding between amino acid sequences causes blank level of structure. It's right in your book.
Secondary.
Secondary, yes, good job. All right, yay, happiness. Or not happiness. All right, so what we started as our warm-ups today, so we've already done 2 weeks of organic molecules. So this is for the rest for you to finish at home because we have to do cells today. So this is your macromolecules. It's a table. I printed off some information here. So put information here, or read your textbook and read your notes and fill out this table. It's 2-sided. Since we are in college, there's a lot of information you have to write. So if you want to take 2 rows to do carbohydrates, that's fine. So that's why it's double-sided. Okay. Yay, fun times. All right, so announcements. Obviously. All right, sign-in sheet. If you not have signed in or your name is not on there, flip the sign-in sheet over to the back and write your name. But I think everybody except Danielle, you're all done. So make sure you sign in. And announcement time. All right, makeup work. Tomorrow's the exam. And 6 of you guys have not picked up that makeup work. So as of now, it's of no use to you. So if this makeup work is not picked up by Tuesday, I will no longer set aside work for you anymore. And the 6 of you who still have work that you need to pick up, I will email you guys and let you know. All right, do not waste my time because if I'm setting aside time to put aside work from you and you're not picking up, that's completely disrespectful. You guys are upstairs once a week in MacArthur, so while you're in there for lab, go and pick up your stuff. So we've had 5-6 weeks of study group. The work's been there, and now your test is tomorrow, and it's of no use to you. So make sure you pick up that work.
When did I didn't see this week?
No, it's there. It's been there.
By the elevator.
The elevator, it's there. So who's been to it knows where it is. Right. Just give us some explanations. What do?
You go upstairs.
You go upstairs.
You see a box and it's really, I don't know. It's the first thing you see in the bookshelf.
In the bookshelf, okay? So when you go up the elevator,
You missed it.
there's the table. There's a box that says you missed it right on there in the bookshelf, okay? You all should know. I even sent you guys pictures in an email. All should know. All right. Next thing. All right. So just give me 2 slides. Wait a second. When you do on your iPad, it's just really weird. How do you? Oh, you have to swipe. That's smart. Okay. All right. So stay group regularly. All right. You can't learn crap too. Just remember that. Keep that stay before the last couple of days. Make sure you do it regularly so you actually learn the material. All right. Darn, today I put a bad word. Okay. All right. Snag with freshmen. All right. So tomorrow's study group we're going to have canceled unless you want to get ahead, and that's totally fine with me. Thursday we're starting chapter 4, which is the cytoskeleton. All right. As far as I know, cytoskeleton should not be on your guys' exam, correct? Yeah. Okay. Usually isn't. And then Friday we're doing another part of chapter 4, which is cell-to-cell junctions, aka cell interactions. And then we're going to have another Sunday study group. All right, and that's going to be chapter 5, the cell membrane. Out of chapter 5, all the osmosis, tonicity questions we're not going over because you can just read it and understand it, and we have other things to do in study group. But in your bio workbooks, I copied out and printed out the pages on osmosis and tonicity and all that stuff. So if you want to check one of these out, that's fine. And it's in there. It's on CK12. So Sunday, chapter 5. So Monday, you should have your grades back. Monday, I'm doing study tips, study skills session. All right, and then that Thursday, so not this upcoming Thursday, but the week after that, I'll show you guys how to set up your interactive notebook for the ones of you guys who want to do it. So Monday, I'll explain what interactive notebook is and what the whole program is, and then Thursday, we'll actually set the whole thing up.
This Monday?
No. When? When did I say? Next week. Not this week, but next week on...
Monday.
What day does it say? Oh, Monday. Yeah, sorry. Monday. Sorry. I thought we were talking about something else. All right, Thursday. Yay. I had coffee today. All right, so we'll see how that goes. So resources, at the beginning of the school year, I told you guys what resources you can use to help you. So this is just reiterating all of that stuff. Yay. All right, so you can use biology homework helpers. You can search it on the library website. If you want to go on Amazon, it's like $6 to buy. That doesn't include shipping, so up to you. You have your website. Orem Science is another website. It has like PowerPoints and worksheets and stuff. So just another little tidbit tool. Yay. All right. Oh, we're not to organelles yet. All right, so now our next little thing that we're going to do today is our gallery walk. So what you'll need is a piece of lined paper. Excuse me. And back there are 4 stations. Okay? So at these 4 stations, what are you going to do is you and whoever else is with you, you are going to read the article, and then you are going to answer the questions that are on this little note card. Yes? Okay? And I shall be assigning you to a station by pointing at you. Easy. Are we ready for this? All right. Okay, everybody have their lined piece of paper? Yes. All right, so station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4, station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4, and then Winston, station 1. Got it? All right, cool. So go ahead and do that. You will have 6 minutes, 6 or 7 minutes. When the timer goes off, we'll switch. Hello. Be up here. There you go. Got it? Is there like 2? Okay, Danielle, you're over there? Okay. There you go. There should only be 1 station. Do you guys want music?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.